This is the Chinese cooking channel called Chinese Cooking Channel. Today we have a special stir fry for you.
Today we have a recipe for frozen vegetable stir fry on crispy noodles. So this recipe is easy and quick to make. You can serve it for lunch, dinner, or any time you like. So let's get started. Now you can order the products and ingredients that I use in my cooking videos. Just click the link below in the description for the Chinese cooking accessory guide. You can order everything online, including the wok that I use and some of the equipment that I use. Although you can thaw your vegetables, this is a quicker way to make this stir fry. So just add some boiling water to the frozen vegetables. Let it soak, and you can use any kind of vegetables. So here we have the stir fry medley. For added flavor, add some fresh vegetables known as aromatics, such as carrots, celery, and onions. So these are the fartine noodles. These noodles are really good for soups and also for stir fry. So I've got some water going right now. I'm going to put a tablespoon of oil into the water. I'll put a teaspoon of salt in there. So this helps the noodles from sticking together. So I'm going to put a couple handfuls in here. That should be enough for, like, say, 4 quarters. This brand of noodles only takes 5 minutes to cook, but be sure to check the instructions. So just rinse the noodles in cold water just to get rid of some of the starches and to stop the cooking of the noodles. Preheat a pan at medium to medium-high heat. Put 4 to 5 tablespoons of cooking oil, such as peanut oil, and grill the noodles for 6 to 7 minutes on each side. The secret to a good stir fry is to preheat your wok or pan to medium-high to high heat. Add 2 to 3 tablespoons of cooking oil, such as peanut oil. Next, add a tablespoon of chopped ginger and chopped garlic and give it a quick stir fry. Now it's time to add the chopped onion, celery, and carrots. Give that a quick stir fry. Add a dash of salt if you like to enhance the flavor. It's time to add the frozen vegetables now, or earlier if you're not using fresh vegetables. Add 3/4 to 1 cup of chicken broth, or if you don't have it, just add water. Add 1 to 2 tablespoons of light soy sauce, and if you have it, add a tablespoon of Maggi sauce. To thicken the sauce, add a mixture of 1 tablespoon of cornstarch in a 1/3 cup of water, and then bring the liquids to a boil. For crispier noodles, continue to grill your noodles. Now you're ready to serve your noodles, so just put them on a plate. So there you have it. Frozen vegetables stir-fried on crispy noodles. Enjoy.